My people, picture don't they go viral since about one headmistress, because as people see this picture, nobody even they believe say this one a headmistress. Now why I bring her out to open on her eye? Now true, now headmistress for what they call that primary school, and this one they for Kogi State. As soon as see her like that, where she sit down, that place where they see na office so make una treat am with respect. Now office be that. And this school where they talk about like this, they located for Ajakoli, the Kina local government, for inside this same Kogi State. My people, these things I not just, in fact, things like this, I'm not just know whether make I remove my heart so that I go see say my heart they broken. I be una go just believe me for, as I dey talk, just they talk. Because my heart they into pieces right now. Why you say some people no just get conscience? See headmistress. Wait I don't understand. It be like say for this Kogi State where we they talk about it be like say nobody they stay there. Like I they talk about people where they power, people where they authority. Be like say they know they stay there. I be they always they travel, busybody people. Because I not just they understand how person go see something like this with Nkoro eyes and the thing no move am, the thing no do am anything. See educational state for Kogi. See their background. See everything. Hey, shame, shame don't wear bra. Shame don't wear bra. And this one's now. I mean, how these students won't even learn? How they even want to sit down? The only thing now, now not NAS. Now Northerners, governors they think about. Now Northerners they support. They come out with foolish messages about Northerners. Now the only thing one Nasabi. Now the only thing, make person just come out now, come talk against Northerners. Una go sabi reply fast. But this one where happen now, where the picture don't they go viral, they show say una don't see them. Una still keep quiet, like say nothing happen. If na Northerner now, una go sabi you come in front of camera, they give useless explanation where I don't even know where they bring am from. But see children. If they be adults now, I go say okay, they feel manage. Children, now they keep like this under tree. Now you not see how they don't even get chairs. Oh, now the branch, I be waiting they record that thing. The branch of tree, I be na root of tree. I don't know the thing where they come out like that. Now that one they just arrange and wear. Now that on top of that thing, these people they sit down. And una just they pass. The one way even they pay me be say, you see all these people now. Madam headmistress or even the parents of those children wait they sit down under that tree. Tomorrow now they go still they run. They support this administration where they ground now. Now them go still come out to vote for this, vote for that. Una go still run. Why be so una like it be like say pain too they come up for people body. Because I not just understand. After you go through this thing, tomorrow now they go tell you come and vote. They go just bribe una with maybe 100 naira, 500 naira. Una two go run. They go so now they go vote. This poor administration. So now one time I say these people they no get money to at least. I not even they ask for a 3-story building. At least even if now 3 classrooms, make I just use that one. So they no fit just do something, construct something. Ordinary states, this man no fit handle. Ordinary states. Now tomorrow now go they come outside say una want run for presidency. You want to run for presidency. Continue running, you will soon fall down. If you no fit even handle states, small thing like that, small community. Now this whole country you won't come handle. I just imagine if this man now like come become president. Hey, Chineke. In fact, our own go just finish once. We go just finish. Forget them. School. We not go even see school. Not to talk of nothing. If you allow these people there like this, it's heartbreaking. It's very hard. See, I just imagine if rain they fall. The days where rain fall, then they say these children no go even fear attack. Because normally, even if rain fall, you fit still go school. The important thing be say car go drop you. You understand? But this ones now, let me say the day wey for nobody go class. And then the day wey dey class now, sun come shine plenty like that. Imagine. No, now why some people just dey run mad anyhow? Now why some people as they grow up, you go just dey see say something dey happen for their brain. You no know say na this kind things. When sun don hit your skull, una no go understand wetin I dey talk about. But people wey know, they understand wetin I dey talk about. People don't just get heart everywhere. In fact, heartless souls wey we get for power, wey we put by ourselves. But go check their children. Go check school where these people children dey. Hey, if you see school, no be joke, I dey joke. If you see schools where these politicians children they attend, no be Africa. Make una dey there dey Jones. No be Africa. And the schools alone, they pay in dollars. I know they like they mention dollars. When the matter don extreme, you know they complete the dollars. They pay in dollars. You understand? So for now to see, now why they are not bothered. Because they know that their own, they safe. Their own, they in nice environment. Their own, they learn well. In fact, everything they smooth. They say they send them pocket money, our money on top of that one. Una no go believe all these things where they talk until the thing happen to una. These people are suffering. These people are suffering. Now why I bring this matter come outside? Africans, see, una too like, I don't even know how I feel explain this thing. Una go they suffer, yet una go they smile with people where they make una suffer. I don't say me, you know, they forgive people or treat. This one, and they talk about politicians. See, they don't wish you now well. So stop the smile. All this smile, when they smile. I just say even this headmistress, tomorrow night, they go meet her now with maybe one bundle of 500 naira notes. She go just forget say she done that tree. Una mata tire me. Now why I bring this thing? Make una open una eye. And wait till they call your name. Governor of Kogi State, Mr. Nodna. Now I understand all your matter. No worry, I don't even want to go further. Now I understand that. Because give these people shelter. I build something for them. A whole governor, you no fit do anything. You dey wait now. Now citizens go still come donate money, come build school like the one wey happen. Mothers they join, they from their pocket money. I be waiting they call that thing. They bring money for 1 year. These people save money, build school. When they get governor, what a pity. My people, I beg, I don't bring this matter because I need make una help me share this video. Very, very important. I beg, if no be for anything for those children, they need help. I beg share this video so that the governor of Kogi State go hear me and he go do something about that. That is if truly he get good heart. You understand? And if you never subscribe, I beg subscribe. If not, you go miss anything when we drop. And your comments, of course, very, very important. I need to know what you think concerning this matter. So drop them there. I will reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.